Wait just a stinking minute. Did I find a dupe? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So in today's video, girl, I think I just found a blush dupe from a makeup brand that I adore. I think I found a dupe. So that is what we're going to be doing today. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You could ring the bell. It would give you notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday. So yep, like, make comments, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support. And thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, listen, you guys know how much I love and adore Patrick Ta. He can do no wrong in my eyes. I'm sorry, you could do no wrong. I absolutely adore him, and I adore any of his products. Any of his products, I think they are so good. So what I have here is his double take cream to powder blushes. They are gorgeous. P.S. I also have On My Eyes, which has nothing to do with this video, but that's how the squirrel goes in the brain, is one of his highlighters, which I know, controversy, blah, blah, blah. His Eye Illusion eyeshadow duos. This is Talk to My Team. Let me just show it to you. So this is what I have on right over here. But anyway, I love you. This is what I'm saying. I have like 3 or 4 of these. Adore him. But girl, I have to tell you, I picked up these Catrice blushes recently. I think they're a dupe. I really do. So let's get into it. Let me see here. I want to say like I don't think the colors may not necessarily be identical, but the cream and the powder, put the powder on first, put the cream and the cream powder, whatever it is, I think they're very similar. I do have some notes here, but let me just for an example, I grabbed Patrick Ta's, this is She's the Moment. Right, we're going to do swatching and all that good stuff. So this is She's the Moment. But then I have the Catrice Blush Affair Cream and Powder Palette. And this one is an absolute apricot. I mean, granted, I know it's not exact, although you could stop right there. I think this is a little bit closer. This is Peach Passion. Wait a minute. Wait just a stinking minute. Right, these are, yes, I think these are probably, these are probably closer in color. So let me leave that there before I forget. And then I have, let's see here. This one is She Goes to the Gym. This is one of his newer colors. And this one is Stunning Strawberry. I don't know if this is it, but I mean, obviously this one is more of a lighter color. Let me see this one. But when I grabbed those Catrices, I was like, halt in the name of the law. See this one too. This one is not too much. Also looks like this apricot. So we're going to put those right over here. This is a stretch. But let's just try it anyway. I'm so excited. Let me just give you a little bit of a quick rundown for these 2 products. So let's see here. Okay, so let's start pricing wise. These little lovers right here, the Patrick Ta, they are $38. These are $7. $7. Now, of course, and you know I'm a sucker. You guys know I'm a sucker. The packaging is exquisite. This is absolutely beautiful packaging. On the back here, it says it is made in the USA with globally sourced material. I think I found the globally sourced, I want to say maybe in, where's my notes? I think it said Korea. I'm not really sure because I couldn't get a lot of information on that. But listen, we pay for the packaging. We pay for this packaging. But it is so beautiful, so sleek. Yes, you get two blushes, 2 different formulas. I love that they have this plastic component right over here to cover the cream so the powder and the cream do not mix. But if you do not care about packaging, here's the beautiful Catrice. $7. These are made in Poland. There's no, hello. Okay. There's no like little plastic doohickey to protect like the powder from the cream. $7. Did I say $7? So $7.38. Packaging, absolutely gorgeous. Packaging, it's nothing. No nonsense. No nonsense packaging. Let's see here. What else? Both are long wearing. Let's see. You know what? Let me just go down and share with you one at a time, because I'm confusing myself, girl. So Patrick Ta is $38. Very pigmented. The powder is very, very pigmented. The formula is amazing. The cream is so beautiful. And again, normally, traditionally, we go cream first, then powder to set. But of course, Patrick Ta, you're a genius as ever. He recommends putting on the powder first, and then, like, to refresh or brighten up the skin, put the cream on top. Either or. You could do either or. You could do one or the other, whatever you want. But I think both products do the same exact thing. So Patrick Ta is long wearing, non-comedogenic, cruelty-free, talc-free, sulfite-free, paraben-free. It melts into your skin with a radiant glow. Obviously, if you put the cream on top, made in the USA and sourced out, I think, in Korea. I'm not really sure. Catrice, $7. $7. Now, ounce-wise, I'll let you know in 1 second. They are called the Blush Affair Cream and Powder Blushes. The packaging, like I said, packaging, same thing. Very pigmented. They're very blendable, cruelty-free, vegan, no added parabens, no plastic particles, but long-lasting. But I think I saw that the Patrick Ta does not use talc. If I'm mistaken, please let me know, but the Catrice does use talc. So that is that big difference. Let's dive in. I'm diving in. Let me roll up the sleeves. Pull the hairdo back, and let's just start swatching. So I'm gonna grab She's the Moment from Patrick Ta. So let me just show it to you. So this is what it looks like. And I am going to put the cream and the powder. Yeah, they're so nice. So this is the cream and this is the powder of Patrick Ta. So here's the cream and here's the powder. Okay, so that is Patrick Ta. She's the Moment. And then I'm going to grab the Catrice Peach Passion. Let me just wipe my hands. I want to do everybody their due diligence. Yeah, it is so freaking creamy. Now, I will say that the cream in the Catrice is less dewy, but let me just put it, yeah. Okay, so the Catrice is on the bottom. You could see that the cream, yeah, is less dewy, but creamy nonetheless. It feels more of a thicker consistency, where the Patrick Ta is more, I don't want to say shiny, but, you know, more dewy. But the powders, I mean, they're almost identical, and I can guarantee it on the face, you're not going to be able to tell. So we're definitely going to use these two. Out of curiosity, I just want to see, not too much, just the color from Patrick Ta. Let me just go in with that. Okay, so that is that. I'm going to go above. Should I? No, I'll go below. Yeah. Close. I mean, so the bottom one is not too much. I think we could get away with, actually, the Catrice Peach Passion and the Patrick Ta She's the Moment, I think, are pretty close that we can get away with it, right? But I just want to try, let's see here. I want to try Patrick Ta She Goes to the Gym. This is one of his newer colors that just came out. And let's see here. Not that this is really a dupe per se, Stunning Strawberry, but let's just look. Let's just look. Yeah, that Patrick Ta, man, that cream is so friggin' creamy. Where the hell am I going to put this? I'll put it right over here. Okay, so that is the last color. She Goes to the Gym. And then I just want to swatch Stunning Strawberry. Stunning Strawberry from Catrice. Yeah, I don't think this is going to be a dupe, but let's just, we might as well. That's definitely not. Okay, then let's just do it. I think it's these two right over here. Let's do it. Let's do it. So I think we're going to just put, maybe we'll put the Patrick Ta on my left, and then we'll put the Catrice on my right. I'm going to go in just like Patrick said. I'm going to go in with the Powder first, very powdery, Patrick. Where's my mirror? Woo! So I'm gonna go in on my left side with the Patrick Ta. Damn, this is so pretty. That is so pretty, right? Let's start with the powder first, and then I'm gonna go in with Catrice, and this is Peach Passion, just as powdery, just as powdery. We're gonna go on this side. Okay, so this is the powder. Let me just go in a little bit more. Okay, so this is the powder. So this is Patrick Ta, and this is Catrice. Can we really tell the difference? I mean, color-wise, I think, I don't know. Let me put this on a minute, hold on. What do you guys think? Nicole, what do you think? You want to come and take a look? No. But you're in my business, but when I need your help, you can't help me, right? Okay. What do you guys think? I mean, I want to say, even though this is She's the Moment, doesn't it look like rosy on my face? Where this looks legit like a peachy, apricot-y kind of color. This one kind of looks rosy, doesn't it? That is so weird. Both beautiful. We're going to go in with the cream. Should I use the same brush? Why not? We're going to go in with the cream on top. So I'm going to go in slightly. Tappity tap tap. That's the Patrick Ta. And I'm going to just tap right over here. That is so friggin' pretty. That's gorgeous. Going in with the cream. Tappy tap tap. Bacha, I see you. Yeah, I see you, Bacha Lulu. Okay, so that's both of them. Where is my foundation brush? I just want to go around the perimeter. Okay, I'm gonna come close to you people. You guys let me know what you guys think. I feel like I have more on this side, right? Which was the Patrick Ta. So let me just see if I could. I feel like it. Okay, how about that? Okay, so this is Patrick Ta, and this is Catrice. What do you guys think? I mean, like, are the colors identical? Probably not, but if you didn't know, I don't think you could tell. I don't think you can tell. And the formula is so good. Let me see. How many ounces in the Patrick Ta? It's got, the cream has 0.21 ounces. And I think the powder has 0.14. So, and then the Catrice. Girl, you're going to tell me the Catrice. I'll have to find out because I don't see how many ounces is in here. Girl, give it to me in English. Wait a minute, this says made in Italy though, but when I looked it up, it said it was made in Poland. Hold it. Interesting. I don't know. It says made in Italy. Maybe the same thing, where it's manufactured, where some of the material is coming from. Not really sure, but I'm not sure how many ounces this is in here, so I will leave it below when I find out the information. But what do you guys think? Do you think that we found a dupe? Ooh, they're both beautiful. I think this is a dupe. I really do. What do you guys think? Leave me some comments below, short and sweet. I think I found a dupe. What do you guys think? Leave it down below. And yeah, so that's it, guys. This is my video. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. And as always, you guys, be good to each other, love each other, and have a great day. Bye.